Hi guys, welcome back to Goddess's Kitchen. Happy Sunday to everyone, and thank you for visiting. And also thank you to all those who subscribe to my channel. I so appreciate you. But today I'm going to make a treat, a buttery, nutty peanut brittle. As you can see, I have my peanuts here, where I'm going to add 2 cups. I have the carmel light syrup here, where I'm going to add another cup. I also have my butter, as you can see here. I'm going to add maybe a couple of tablespoons of butter. I have nuts, which I'm going to add a total of 2 cups of nuts. Here I have a carmel dark syrup. Here I have a light carmel syrup, along with a organic sugar. Maybe a cup will be added, along with a cup of water. Here I have a half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a tablespoon of vanilla flavoring. First, I'm going to spray my baking pan, as you can see here. And this is where I'm going to lay my candy once I'm done with pan. Now I'm going to preheat this griller, as you can see here. I'm going to add my sugar. I'm going to add a cup of water. And of course, the cup of carmel syrup. I'm going to stir, allowing this temperature to get to about, as they say, 350. This is the dark carmel syrup I'm going to go ahead and add here. And I'm going to begin stirring. As you can see here. Stir, stir, stir. This is just a regular thing I use to do some indoor sauteing. But I'm going to stir. And as it gets hot, which is going to get very hot, I would then begin to add my peanuts. As you can see here, I'm going to add 2.5 cups because this is a nutty, buttery peanut brittle. Then I will add my butter and then the ingredients you see here. Vanilla flavoring, a half a teaspoon, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, now I got it right. So I'm going to return after this begins to harden. Be right back. Bye-bye.